Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change personal information in Gmail. To change all personal information, first you need to sign in with your account. And up here, if you click, from here you can click on manage your Google account to change your personal information. Or you can open a new tab and open gmail.com with your account and click here and click on manage your Google account. In your left, you can see there's more tabs available. Home is selected, welcome, and here I cannot change my personal information. So I need to click at this tab, which is personal info. If I want to change anything, so here for the basic info, from here I can click on profile picture. If I want to change the profile picture, maybe I want to choose a picture from here. So here you have all different images that you can use for your profile picture, or maybe you want to add a picture from your computer, so simple you can click here. And next we can change the name. If I click, so you can see we have this name and nickname. If you want to change, simple you can click at that to change it. And also I can change my birthday. Click here. So here we have the month which I can change. If I click, so from this list I can choose any other month and also the day and the year, and choose who can see your birthday. Only you is selected, and if you want others to see your birthday, then click at this for anyone and you can highlight your birthday. Also for only me, you can highlight your birthday. To highlight your birthday, first choose who can see your birthday to anyone. When you're done, click on save. And we have the gender. From here we can change. We have the contact info. So from here, if I want to change the contact info, so simple, I'm going to click here. And as you can see, it is Google account, which is my current email. And here is the recovery email, which is not verified. I need to click here to verify that. And it needs to be verified. Verification needed. We have the contact email, which is this one. And also you can add the alternate emails. Here I can just click to add that. And about me emails, email address that can be shared with other across Google products like Drive and Photos. You can add about me email as well if you want to. And if you want to add a phone, simple, you can click here. So we have more options. You can manage emails from Google. And here we have the addresses. You can add the home address, the work, and other. And if I scroll down, you can see we have this profiles. See how your different profiles appear in Google services. You can see all profiles and choose what others see. So you can go to about me and you can decide what personal information you make visible to others when you use your main Google account profile across Google services. And if I scroll down, you can see other info and preferences for Google services, ways to verify its you, and settings for the web. So here I can click last change January 25, 2023. A secure password helps protect your Google account. You can click here if you want to change the password. For now, I don't want to change the password. Let's go back. And also we have the general preferences for the web. So we have managed settings for Google services on the web like language, input tools, the accessibility. If I want to change the language, so simple, I can click here. and input tools, type more easily in your language. Then you can click here. So we have this keyboard layout English, keyboard layout English, and English suggested, and handwriting is English. If I want to add any other, so I'm going to click add a language. Maybe I want to add this Francis, and click on save. So we have this language, our input language here, which is this France. So this is how we can change our personal information in our Gmail account. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned. And if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.